Hello everyone, Corbin Bowman here again at the Cycle City of Rochester, Minnesota. I bring to you the 2022 Works Edition Crf450r. This thing is an absolute beauty, as you can tell. It's got some nice extra goodies that the stock 450 doesn't come with, such as a full Hinson clutch basket, as well as the Hinson clutch cover. Looks absolutely amazing. With the full Yoshimura exhaust, that gives it a great look and amazing bark. HRC factory graphics. Throttle jockey seat cover to make it look just like Ken Roxon. A red cylinder head cover, which is not available on any other bike model besides the Works Edition, as well as the ported cylinder head from the mechanics and engineers from Japan. I made it specifically for this model and no other model. As well as the Kevlar grips, which will last you a very long time. Front brake rotor cover to protect it from debris and if you possibly fall. A skid plate. Coated upper and lower forks, as well as from Showa. Looks amazing. As well as DID dirtstar rims to handle any jump that you want to take it over. The full retail price on the Honda 2022 Works Edition CRF 450 is $12,399 before freight and prep. If you are interested to come take a look at this model or just have a couple other questions, you can come to Cycle City of Rochester, Minnesota, or give me a call at 507-288-1084. Have a wonderful day, folks.